Today's project is going to be involving this cute little gnome. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I'm participating in the Fall Wreath International Challenge 2019. It's hosted by Kiki from Kiki's DIYs. She's from Puerto Rico. And there's going to be a list of co-hosts. I will have it down in the description box below. I myself am from Canada. There will also be some entries from subbies. I am so excited to see that. I think it's a great idea. So let's hop into the project. For today's project, we are going to be using a grapevine wreath. You can purchase these at Dollar Tree or Michael's or any other craft store. You're going to need a selection of some fall foliage, and some accessories I will be using are these clay mushrooms that I have on hand, as well as this cute gnome that I introduced you to already, and some pumpkins that I had distressed. Some additional items I might be using are some branches, and an assortment of moss and some dried bark. The tools you will need are some wire cutters, possibly some scissors, and your trusty glue gun with some glue sticks. Okay, so my little gnome has a pick on the bottom, so I am just going to figure out where I want my wreath to lie and then put the little guy in place. I am now going to start placing my foliage, and I'm going to work it in around my gnome in a manner that's pleasing to my eye. Feel free to create it any way you would like. Okay, so now I've got my fern foliage in place, and I am going to go back in with my glue gun and just add glue in the spots where I have placed. So now I'm going to start adding my other greens and my berries. I'm going to add my mushroom embellishments. I have decided just to use 2 of them. The one is going to be too long, so I am actually going to try to loosen it, to pop it off the stem, just like so. And I'm going to use a branch instead. I'll glue that in place. I will cut it down to the size I need. This one I'm just going to stick in like so, and I will be gluing them into place. Now I'm going to go in and add a decorative pumpkin. I'm using the smaller one. I decided only to use one, and I'm going to add a little piece of branch on the top here as the stem, just to cover up that little knob. And add some of my natural elements, the branches, moss, and the bark. Tip for you all: to get rid of all those glue strings that you have, use a blow dryer. That will melt them all away. So now I'm going to be creating my hanger. I didn't do it at first because I wasn't sure where I was going to start to decorate everything, because my wreath was a little lopsided. But what I like to do is take a piece of florist wire and some florist tape. I have it in brown, and what you do is, using your one hand and pulling on the other, you kind of pinch and twist and pull the tape. It's a wax tape, and what will happen is that it'll melt it and it will stick together. Now you do need to pull it a bit. If you don't pull it, it will be quite bulky, so just keep that in mind. And this is probably approximately a 6-inch piece. And now I'll just put that on the back side here, so I have a place to hang it. It. Let's go put it on the door. Okay, so here it is. Here's the wreath hanging on my door. I absolutely love it. I love the whimsical feel of it, as well as the woodland look. Here's my little gnome with his little mushrooms and his little pumpkin. I hope this has inspired you to think outside the box when it comes to making wreaths. Thank you so much for being here. Click the like button, subscribe if you enjoyed, and tap on the bell to keep up to date with all the inspiration I share here on my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.